form is created with a name. It is man manufactured, the names. Some forms were existing before we are born. Some forms we create by ourselves, by our own creativity. For example, the chairs, the tables, the house, the rooms, the cars are all created by human beings. These things started existing after human beings started existing. But before we started existing, there are many forms already existed, isn't it? But none of them had any name. For example, the earth was created. Who named this globe as an earth? Only we. There was no name. Nomenclature is created by us, isn't it? For our convenience, for practical approach. Otherwise, things will be confused. If you don't name it a table as a table and chair as a table, as a chair, we will be in trouble. If you ask someone to bring that, what you will say? You have to mention. You have to mention either you bring the chair or bring the table. You have to point out, you have to indicate something. Then only the survival is easier. For survival purposes, we are discussing here what to do with the passion and the spiritual growth together. We are not deleting the one for the other. It's something a very hard game, tough game. I can easily tell the questioner, please forget about your passions. Search for the enlightenment. It's a very hard test. It's almost impossible. There is no need also to renounce the passion. Passions are beautiful. Only thing we need is certain understanding. When you play with the passions, we have to be careful. Otherwise, there is every chance to let you down while you are indulging in the passion. That's why one has to be careful. Careful in the sense having a clear understanding. This is the understanding. Forms are existing in different ways. Smallest, even the dust is also a form. The biggest of the biggest, also a form. We named it. Different names because of the different forms. Passion means to relate with some form and name. That's what passion is all about, indulging in passion. Doesn't matter what it is. It may be with human beings. It may be with non-living things also.